Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my classic size dashboard layout that is my catch-all. This is, of course, a happy planner, and we're going to be decorating for the last week in November, the week of Thanksgiving, Monday the 25th through Sunday the 1st of December. I'm going to be using Toasty Winter. These are some new stickers that are available in my shop. All stickers right now are 50% off. There's no code needed. I just want to let you know too, we are going to have an extra discount on top of the 50% off for Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday. So make sure you head over to pleasantlyplanned.com, sign up for emails at the bottom of the homepage on my website. You can sign up for emails. I'm going to be sending out a special coupon code that you can sign up for or use, in addition to the 50% off of the stickers, and that code will only be available for Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday. So make sure you head over to pleasantlyplanned.com and sign up for email so that you can get that special coupon code to get an additional 10% off on top of the 50% off on stickers. So let's go ahead and get started with this spread. I think I'm going to do this the way that I kind of old school did. That was my go-to to put a floral in the top corner up here. So we're just going to kind of do the norm old school way of decorating a spread with these stickers for me. So let's go ahead and cut off this excess here. I am going to be using some grid washi. This grid washi is some that I had available in my shop last year. I do not have it available today, but you should be able to find this on either Etsy or Amazon. It's just black and white grid washi, so very simple. So yeah, let's see what else we can lay down. I think I want to go ahead and do the bottom corner down here, and I think we're just going to put another cute little decorative floral arrangement down here. I love my new winter collection. Y'all let me know in the comments, did you pick up any stickers from my new winter collection? All orders are caught up. I do have 3 orders in my queue. Those will ship out this week. So all orders are caught up. Now, if you do order for Black Friday, depending on whether or not I get inundated with orders, my processing times may be a little bit longer. Right now, they're kind of teetering on between 4 and 7 business days. So we'll kind of see how that plays out with this additional 10% off discount code that I've got. We'll see if I kind of get inundated with orders. So that may kind of stretch out to, shouldn't be any more than like 10 to 14 business days. So just keep that in mind if you do decide to order during my Thanksgiving and Black Friday sale. But you will absolutely be able to save tons of money on stickers if you use that extra code that will be emailed. So let's go in here with some headers. Now, I always do this as like a running to-do list, and since this floral is so big, I'm not going to put a header here, but I do want to kind of put a couple headers over here. I like to always have a to buy, and then kind of like maybe a remember or important or something like that. So let's go ahead and put to buy up here. There's always something that I need to list to buy, whether it be things for the shop or things for the home. There's always something every week that needs to be ordered or picked up. And then let's take our meals header. I always like to use this section for my meal planning to kind of give me an idea of what meals I'll be making for the week. I've got a little tear on my desk here. This is like a vinyl desk. It's kind of like contact paper that I have on top of my desk, and somehow I got a little tear there. So sorry about that if you see that in the video. Okay, so now let's do, I kind of want to do a remember. I want to get some of this brown on this page. So we're going to do remember here. And my dogs are going to start barking. I've got them outside in their little play area right now. And I think my neighbor's son is getting off the school bus. So I apologize for the barking dog. Oh, I do want to get some quotes. Let's see what kind of quotes I can use. It is actually really cold here right now. I say really cold. It's like 55, 53 to right now, but it's in the 30s at night, so it's kind of cold. So I'm going to use, let's see. I want to use Baby It's Cold Outside because it is really cold outside. Okay, so the dogs were barking really loud. So I went ahead off camera and I put my quote down, and then I just put this jacket, blanket, and boots sticker down here, kind of like put it over on both sides of the page or both pages. And then I took my Crocodile Punch, which is listed down in the description below. This is the We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile Punch, and I just went ahead and punched out over top of those stickers. So let's see if we can go ahead and lay some boxes down now. I think we're just going to kind of do like I normally, or like I used to do, and just lay boxes down. I'm trying to kind of strategically place these. Kind of, but not really. I think we're going to put this one down here on Tuesday. This one, I'm going to kind of go over, let's see, this way. And then we'll decorate around the boxes too. So I'm going to lay one more box down. And we're going to do this one over on this side. We're not going to decorate around this box. So now let's go to, do we want to use the small sheet or the mini sheet? I think I'm going to use the small sheet to decorate around these boxes. And then we'll kind of come over here in a minute and fill in over on this side. But let's focus on the right-hand side for now. And let's see. I really want to use this. So we're going to do something with this probably on the left-hand side. Let's just use these smaller stickers to kind of decorate around the boxes. So I'm just going to cut this sticker so it'll just fit right on the side of this box. Perfect. And then let's see. I'm really excited about my Thanksgiving sale. Hopefully you guys are too. So let's try this one over here. Put that one there. And then I think I'm going to take this one and put on the side over here. So let's cut this one. Y'all know I don't be cutting straight lines, so hopefully I can get this kind of straight. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, perfect. Look how cute this is already. Okay, and then I do want to, like I said, I want to use this sweater with the notebook and the little mug and pine cone, but I kind of want to use a box maybe. So let's take, I don't have this color box over here. So why don't we kind of decorate like right, should I go, I'm going to go up. We'll go up here, and then we'll cut this on the right side of this sticker to kind of put it right beside that box. I'll cut it right there. I love how my stickers make it so easy to decorate a spread in like no time. This was super quick to do because, you know, if you buy like sticker books from other companies, you're steady. I used to always spend like, I'd spend a good hour trying to find stickers to coordinate to decorate a spread. And with my stickers, you've got the coordinating boxes, all of your different size sticker sheets, and it's just so easy to decorate a spread. You don't have to put much thought into it at all. So I love how quickly this is coming together. Let's see what else we can do. I think I'm just going to lay some washi down now. And look, I still have plenty of stickers left to do a whole nother spread. So I love that about my stickers. So let's just try, I think we're just going to do like bottom and top. We're going to make this spread simple. So let's just do bottom and top with this grid washi. I'm going to kind of angle that. And then let's cut off the excess. and we'll use it on the other side. So we'll actually, I'll show you, there's going to be a method to the madness. We're going to use the thicker side on the tops of the pages and the thinner on the bottoms. So you see how that was kind of thin. So we'll take this thicker piece and place up here on the top. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So this is coming together really cute and really quick. So it does not take long to decorate a really cute spread whenever you use my stickers from my shop. So let's go this way. Now I am going to need a longer, I'm trying to decide. I am going to go all the way across. So I'm going to have to use a separate piece of washi. We will figure this out together. This piece I'm going to save, but I'm not going to use it. So what we're going to do is we're going to count 1, 2 boxes and little half pieces. So let's go this way. So we've got 2 boxes and a little half piece. So we'll just kind of put the thicker piece over here. Yeah, I think that's going to work. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to work. So let's see what this looks like whenever we cut this excess off. This was a super quick video. I love this. I love how easy my stickers make it to put a cute and functional spread together. Just super easy. All right, let's see what it looks like. Flip flop. Yeah, so these don't line up perfectly, but it's, I mean, you really can't tell. But look how cute and how simple this decorative spread is. And it literally took like, what, 10 minutes? So, yeah. All right, let me show you how I'm going to store these excess pieces of washi. I'm just going to stick them back on the roll because I will use them. I don't like wasting washi tape or stickers. So we're just going to stick this back on the roll. We'll use this in another spread. So let's stick this back in my planner and see what it looks like. This was a super quick video, probably the fastest video I've done in a minute. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, I hope you will give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free. It costs you nothing to subscribe. And as I said earlier, make sure you head over to pleasantlyplanned.com and sign up for email so that you'll get that additional 10% off coupon code to save on your Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday orders. So that is it for this video. I'm going to decorate my horizontal and my December monthly. So I'll see you over on those videos. I love you guys. I thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye guys.